Hey guys, welcome to Wi-Fi Money Always Be Trading. My name is Josh. This is day 6 of my trading series. Trading my Apex funded account. We're coming into the daily chart here. Late last week, I mentioned how I was looking for price to trade through the 21 EMA, in which we did get here. And it looks like it came to this order block. Ultimately, I was expecting price to come down to here, but we got a push. And yesterday I mentioned initially was looking at the 4 hour gap return at this candlestick here. I was hoping for continued push down, in which I did get stopped out on that bearish position. But after looking further at the 1 hour, I was confident with a long position, given that we had a lot of bounces here and it continued to bounce throughout the day. And I did win that bullish trade. And moving on to today, we had more of the same thing. Overnight, we had continuous pushes off the 21 EMA, and I was paying close attention early this morning as this red candle touched the EMA, and we started to get a push here during this 1 hour candle, in which I took my long position. But we're going to break it down to the 5 minute here as to why I decided to enter. So, looking further at this 1 hour, I'm actually going to break this down. I'm going to put a yellow line here to show you where finally, I wanted to see it finally break this high, as these previous candles didn't. But looking at the 5 minute, this is where I entered this blue arrow there. Make sure you guys can see it on your screen. I was made aware that you guys can't always see what's going on. So what happened here, this is the yellow line, which was our resistance there. We finally broke through on this 5 minute candlestick. I was looking for a return down to this yellow EMA, but ultimately this candlestick and this candlestick here, the two prior to where I entered, they were respecting the 9 EMA. So I decided to play that 9 EMA. I did reduce my risk because it was very early, and I did want to see a bit of a return, but it looked like it was ready to pop, in which it was ready to pop. I'll even break it down further to the 1 minute, because I did peek at the 1 minute just to be certain with my decision. But the 1 minute was respecting the 21 EMA continuously, almost perfectly, in which off this bounce here, I decided to enter. I put my stop loss below our push up, which was here. I had this alert set just to let me know when we're about to get stopped out, but it didn't happen. I mean, the trade played out perfectly. We had some beautiful price action. I mean, we dipped below that 21 EMA barely. It just bounced off what was once resistance. It turned into support here. It bounced and went straight to TP. Just a little comeback. Once it came back down here, I set my stop loss below here, but it continued to push up. Beautiful price action. We won about 980, actually like 998 if I remember correctly. It was a bit earlier, but price action has continued to be just beautiful off this 5 minute EMA. But I did take my money here. No need to risk more. But man, it's playing off that 9 and 20 EMA perfectly. Let's see. Man, we just actually, I would expect price to maybe take out, we probably have some stop losses here for people that may be short. I would at least expect it to take out this high of this wick or match it. But I wouldn't really enter another long until there's a trend above here, or there's some great kind of return back down. So if that doesn't happen, I'm done for the day. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you next time.